and just check the definition here. Okay, what it is saying, just return a stream consisting of an element of a stream that match the given predicate, that is the predicate, and this is an intermediary operation. This is an intermediate operation. What is this? This is intermediate operation. What this means? So what this filter operation means, this filter calls on a stream is lazy. So what lazy means, like filter returns another stream, right? It's not returning any value, it is just returning another stream. So all the methods of a stream that return another streams are lazy. That means they will not return you the value, they will not have a value in it. And such an operation on a stream that return a stream is called an intermediary operation, intermediate operation. So an operation on a stream that is returning a stream is called an intermediate operation. So let's go to again the same example where you can see it is just returning the another stream of a student. So it's an intermediate operation, it's not returning anything, right? It's not returning the actual value. So this is also stream of student, right? This is also filter operation doing returning stream of student. So returning a stream, that means it's an intermediate operation. Okay, so let's check what is next. Stream intermediary operation versus what is the final operation, terminate operation. So I'm going to remove this and add this here. Okay, and so what we did a filter. Now we already saw average example in the previous lecture, right? Now try to explore more. So we have one more method called pick. So pick return the stream consisting of element of this stream, and additionally it perform the provided action. Okay, so it is accepting a consumer. Consumer means, do you know already, consumer is a functional interface which will accept whatever you are going to do it will perform the logic and it will not return anything. So let's try to define the consumer for it. So first thing is, I miss one thing. What we need to do, we need a list of student, which is a new list equal to new array list of student. We are going to add the filtered data to this list. So what is expected here, in the method you just pass public void, right? Because that's a void. In the consumer is returning a void in the functional interface. So add to list is the method name. I am going to pass list, not list of student, all the students, and what this will do, it will new list dot add, just it will add a student to it. Okay, so how we are going to write a lambda for it? We don't need these things in a lambda, we don't need this braces, we are going to change it to lambda. We don't need this, we don't need this, we don't need this also, because whatever you are going to pass, you are going to add it to it. So let's shorten, but as this student is there, so let's try to change it to anything. So let's do one more time peek, where pass, well, try to print system dot out dot print ln. Okay, just to simplify, what I did, just overrided a toString method so that we can get the sys out in a human readable format. So let's go again to this example. Let's try to print it. Oh, nothing printed. Why nothing printed? You already knew it. Pick is an intermediate operation, and that is not going to print anything, that is not going to give you anything. It's just giving a stream of a student, not the actual output. Now try to add the terminate operation. So the same way I'm going to remove the pick method from here and try to add. We already saw for each method. You can see here a terminal operation, so it will give me the output. So for each accepting the action, what is the action? System.out method reference println, and let's try to print it. That's it, right? It is printing me the output, and that is the end operation. So that means just whenever there is a terminate operation, that will give you the end result, and not in the earlier, just 2 minutes before we saw the pick sysout system.out.println is not printing actually on the in the console, but whenever I wrote like for each, that's a terminate operation, right? And that is a void that's printing in the console. That's a terminal operation. That's it for the intermediate versus terminal operation. Now in the next lecture, we are going to see optional. Why optional is introduced in the Java 8.